Have you ever wondered how plastic products are made? From toys and electronics to car parts and medical devices, plastic injection molding plays a crucial role in shaping our modern world. Imagine a factory, not dark and dusty, but clean and bright with modern machines. Skilled workers in clean uniforms monitor the process, ensuring high-quality products. This is the world of plastic injection molding. It's a manufacturing process where melted plastic is injected into a mold, taking on its shape. Think of it like making waffles, but instead of batter, we use plastic, and the waffle iron is a precision-engineered mold. This process allows us to create complex shapes and designs with incredible accuracy and efficiency, making it a popular choice for various industries. Let's step inside a typical injection molding factory. You'll be greeted by rows of gleaming injection molding machines, each a marvel of engineering. These machines are the heart of the process, responsible for heating, injecting, and shaping the plastic. The process starts with small plastic pellets, similar in size and shape to lentils. These pellets are fed into the machine and heated until they melt into a liquid state. This molten plastic is then injected into a mold, which is a hollow cavity that defines the shape of the final product. The mold is made of two halves that fit together perfectly. One half is attached to the stationary platen of the machine, while the other half is attached to the moving platen. This two-part design allows for easy removal of the finished product once it has cooled and solidified. The first stage of the injection molding process is clamping. The mold is securely closed and held together under high pressure by the machine's clamping unit. This ensures that no molten plastic leaks out during the injection process. The clamping force is crucial, as even a tiny gap between the mold halves can result in a defective product. The required clamping force varies depending on the size and complexity of the mold, as well as the type of plastic being used. Think of it like holding two pieces of bread together to make a sandwich. You need to apply enough pressure to keep the filling from squeezing out. Similarly, the clamping unit ensures that the molten plastic stays within the confines of the mold. Once the mold is securely clamped shut, the injection process can begin. With the mold securely clamped, the injection unit takes center stage. The molten plastic is pushed with high pressure through a nozzle and into the mold cavity. The injection unit ensures that the molten plastic fills every nook and cranny of the mold. The pressure and speed of injection are carefully controlled to achieve the desired results. Too little pressure, and the mold might not fill completely. Too much pressure, and the mold could be damaged, or the plastic part could have imperfections. Imagine squeezing a tube of toothpaste. You need to apply the right amount of pressure to dispense the toothpaste smoothly and evenly. Similarly, the injection unit controls the flow of molten plastic into the mold. Once the mold is filled, the injection process is complete, and the cooling phase begins. As the molten plastic cools inside the mold, it begins to harden and solidify, taking on the shape of the mold cavity. Cooling time varies depending on the plastic type and the thickness of the part. During cooling, the plastic shrinks slightly. The mold is designed with this shrinkage in mind to ensure that the final product has the correct dimensions. Think of baking a cake. As it cools, it shrinks slightly, which is why cakes often have a slight dip in the center. To speed up the cooling process, many injection molding machines use cooling channels within the mold. Cold water is circulated through these channels, drawing heat away from the plastic and speeding up the solidification process. Once the plastic has cooled and hardened sufficiently, it's time for the final stage, ejection. The final stage of the injection molding process is ejection. Once the plastic has cooled and solidified, the mold opens, and the ejector pins push the finished product out of the mold cavity. Ejector pins are strategically placed within the mold to ensure that the product is released smoothly and without damage. They are carefully calibrated to apply just the right amount of force to avoid warping or distorting the part. Think of using an ice cube tray. You gently push on the bottom of the tray to release the ice cubes. Similarly, the ejector pins help to release the finished plastic product from the mold. Once ejected, the finished product is inspected for any defects and then either packaged for shipping or sent for further processing, like assembly or finishing. Looking for a reliable and experienced partner for your next plastic injection molding project? Look no further than Mouldible.com. We are a team of passionate engineers and designers with a state-of-the-art facility equipped with the latest injection molding machines. We combine advanced technology with skilled craftsmanship to deliver high-quality plastic parts at competitive prices. Our team utilizes cutting-edge design software and simulation tools to optimize your product design for manufacturability, ensuring efficient production and cost savings. We are proud to partner with leading companies in the automotive, medical, and consumer goods industries, including BMW, Audi, Bentley, Volvo, and Furno. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction has earned us a reputation for excellence. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say. Mouldible.com consistently delivers high-quality parts on time and within budget. Their team is knowledgeable, responsive, and a pleasure to work with. That's from John S., purchasing manager at an automotive supplier. And here's another. We switched to Mouldible.com for our injection molding needs and have been extremely impressed with their quality and service. Their prices are very competitive, and their team goes above and beyond to meet our needs. That one's from Sarah L., project manager at a medical device manufacturer. Ready to bring your next plastic product to life? Contact Mouldible.com today for a free quote and let us help you turn your ideas into reality.